Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Again, I'm in front of you with new topic, with a useful topic, and I hope these videos are helpful for you, and it would help you when you will arrive here. और यहाँ पर रहते हुए जो है आपको ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो है अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये कैसी इन्फॉर्मेशन है समटाइम आपको लगेगा कि ये हमें नहीं चाहिए लेकिन ये जब आप यहाँ एंटर हो जाएंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअली ये सब चीज़ें छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मिलके आपको हेल्प करती हैं सो आज का मेरा जो टॉपिक है वो है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एंड दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू CPR एंड CPR जो है जिसका CPR है ना दिस इज़ जस्ट लाइक एन आइडेंटिटी कार्ड इन पाकिस्तान सो CPR है तो आपका हर काम चलेगा अदरवाइज आप तब तक स्टक रहेंगे जब तक कि आपको आपका CPR नहीं मिल जाता सो अपनी जो लास्ट वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कम्यून के लिए तो कम्यून में आप जाएंगे और वहाँ पर जाके आप उनको कहेंगे कि तो वो वहीं से वो आपको CPR के लिए जो वो कर देंगे रजिस्ट्रेशन आपकी और उसको क्यू में लगा देंगे और आप जो है वो विद इन 3 to 4 वीक्स जो आपको आपका CPR मिल जाएगा एंड देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर CPR you can call to Siri and you can get your residence card. So ये दो चीज़ें हैं यही आपकी लाइफ लाइन है these are very very important to get as soon as possible because if you will not get it will be difficult for you to find the job and job opportunities and then it would also be difficult to open your bank accounts and I think when you live in Denmark as foreigners सो आपको खाने से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप अपना CPR और अपना जो रेजिडेंस कार्ड है वो अपना जो जल्दी से जल्दी लें ओके सो व्हाट स्टैंड्स फॉर CPR इज़ एक्चुअली अ सिविल रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर एंड इन डेनमार्क ईच पर्सन needs to have CPR number which is called CPR stands for Central Person Registration so it is very important in relation to contact with Danish authorities and especially in connection to tax and social security issues. So for your social securities issues and reasons, and if you have to call any authority or to get help from them or to take any advice from them, it is very very important to get it activated as soon as possible बिकॉज जितना आप इसका टाइम ज़्यादा लेते जाएंगे एंड यू विल गेट योर अदर एक्टिविटीज़ यू विल लिंगर ऑन दीज ऑल अदर एक्टिविटीज़ वो उतने लंबे अरसे के लिए आप उसको लटकाते जाएंगे सो दिस इज़ माई एडवाइस दैट दिस व्हेन यू कम हियर you get your CPR and you get your residence card. So again, I would like to tell you that I made a beginner's handbook who have planned to move from Pakistan to Denmark or from any other country to Denmark or whether they are new here. So that manual will help them to understand that how they can plan their journey throughout this. And residence card is also very important that for foreign residents. It shows your identification information, period of stay, your status of residence, and so on. A person need to carry his or her residence card at all times. So that means when you will travel from one place to another place, you must have your residence card in your wallet, your pocket, or whatever. So you have to get it all the times with you. If you will not carry and if you will stuck in any problem, they will ask you to show your identity because you know this is a police state polity. So if you will not be able to show them it, you will face consequences for that. So this is very important to carry your residence card all the time with you. And yes, so if you will have any questions, any queries, you can write it in the comments. So I will watch and I will see, I will look at it, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible whenever I will be available on YouTube. So I hope this video will help you, and just share my YouTube link to other, and like and subscribe my channel so it will boost my energy. Thank you once again, and hope these videos will help you in your future.